The question says a circular tabletop has a diameter of 1.6 meter and a rectangular tablecloth of 2 meter by 2 meter is placed over the table. What area of the tablecloth overlaps the table? So the area of the tablecloth that overlaps the table is the area of the rectangular tablecloth minus the area of circular table. So we can write that area of overlapping is equal to area of rectangle minus area of circle, right? So we know that area of rectangle, for area of rectangle we know that it is equal to length into width minus pi r square, that is the area for a circle. Now we have L equals to 2 meter, W equals to 2 meter, and R we have 1.6 by 2 meter, because 1.6 is basically the diameter of the circle. So it is equal to 0.8 meter. Now putting values, area is equal to 2 into 2 minus pi into 0.8 whole square. So A is equal to 4 minus 0.64 pi. So A is approximately equals to 2 meter square, that is our overlapping area.